Hello everyone, how are you guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how we can make white label GoHighLevel, and I will show you how you design login page, and after that how we will customize your whole GoHighLevel dashboard, agency level and sub account level as well. So let me dive without wasting time. Dive in video. Here you can see that's a login page I have designed, and also let me go login and I will show you a dashboard as well. Here you can see agency level and white label things. I have did just change all things here, and I can show you in setting area as well. Here we have some amazing effect on it, and I just go to login in any sub accounts because we have on agency level, and I will show you here on sub accounts as well. Yes, I'm going to log in one of account. I will show you how we will do customize on sub account level as well. And by the way, no worry about anything else. I can provide you this complete code and this complete graphics, so you can utilize in for your own agency, and you can customize it free of cost. I will all things provide you on downloadable, and I will provide link in description box below. You can just simply go copy and customize all things. Here you can see on agency level, on sub account level, I can show you all thing here. These design on a sub account level. You can see we have designed this dashboard as well, and also here you can see all these designs and all these effect on agency level. And yeah, show you how we did it, how we achieve it. Simply go to agency level and go to settings, and settings in the main times you can go to the company, and in a company you need to go to one setting. Okay, go to here white label area. Here we can upload our logo, whatever the logo you have, and after that here we can update our script. That's a JavaScript widgets for upgrade our logo size. Okay, and here we have all code. In this code I have explained all things, like for example we are going to target login page, we are going to target dashboard, we are going to target anything. We have mentioned all things here. Simply you need to just copy paste code on your GoHighLevel on agency level, and then you're simply easy to customizable and easily to change it. And for example you want to change anything here, let me show you. You want to change colors, border, here is a code. You can simply go and you can customize according to your requirements. And another thing is that if you want to add like your own image colors, your own size, it's a super easy. You, for example, default style, this one, simply go to here and you can change it according to your requirements. You can change colors, you can change everything here. It's all things are available in code, and you need to know just basic CSS. And even you can give this code to ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT to put your code, add your color scheme. You can provide color code, you can provide everything, and I will also guide you how you can utilize it as a ChatGPT in next video. You can put all this code to ChatGPT, and then you can simply change colors, change everything, whatever you want to do to change. Let me show you how you can change it. So for example we want to change these colors and these all things here. Simply we will go to ChatGPT, and here we can put here, and we will ask to please change. First of all we will find our colors, like we want to change in this color. I just simply install this extension, it's a color picker, and I will ask this one, and here we can put the color code. And we will also want to use color in theme, this one, and here simply we can put here, and then we will ask ChatGPT, please update these colors in code, and also update on hover color. So in hover color we want to change it, and we will say our hover color is this one. Simply I just copy the color, and this is our hover color. Simply say yes to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT go to here and optimize and cleans here. It says I just simply say please update in code that I have already provided you. So it's going to update codes and everything. I just simply copy this one and I simply go to here, and we will just go to here and put our code, and your all colors and all things will be changed when we will save and update it. Let me go here and save and update it, and after that I just refresh here. Yeah, here you can see the old code is working fine. You can ask ChatGPT to change the colors and everything. You can find code in our description box of the video and you will get all the code. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also another thing is that if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation. And if you need pre-built funnels and websites, simply go to funnelsflex.io, and here you can get your amazing convertables and salesable landing pages and websites. There is all custom pre-built websites for GoHighLevel, and also you will get these all things link in bio and snapshots as well. All things available. Simply go to funnelsflex.io. Thank you so much for watching this video.